Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a phone setup on OPPO A2. You have to start with pressing on this arrow button. Now you can select language and then click next. Now you can select region and then click continue. Now you have to agree to legal information and then click next. Now you have to connect to mobile network and then click next. And you have to connect to Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi network and enter password. And then you can click next. Now you can copy contacts and data, or you can just click don't copy. And here you can sign into your Google account, or you can click skip. Now you can click skip again. Now click more, and accept. Now you can choose your search engine and then click next. Now you can set up unlock method, or you can click skip and then click later. Now you can review additional apps and then click OK. Now you can choose navigation method and then click next. And now you can click done. Now click get started. And now your setup is finished and you can use your Android phone. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.